Drug and alcohol abuse are continuing to be a problem throughout the state of Wisconsin. There were more than 350 prescription opioid overdose deaths in the state just in 2017. So the state is hosting Drug Take Back Day, and News 8's Tyler Jobe is here with more on how this event can help you.
Martha, Drug Take Back Day is a national event for people to dispose of unused or expired medications at drug disposal boxes in select locations. With drug epidemics continuing to be a problem throughout Wisconsin, officials are hopeful this event makes our community safer. Twice a year, the state of Wisconsin hosts Drug Take Back Day events that give people an opportunity to safely dispose unused or expired medication. Today, local and state officials explained why safely disposing of old medication is helpful before tomorrow's event.
One of the main ways that people become addicted to opioids is through the diversion of unused and unwanted medications.
In 2017, more than 900 people died from opioid-related overdoses, prescription and non-prescription, throughout the state of Wisconsin.
People should be aware that if they have an opioid prescription, that doesn't mean they can't get addicted. They need to be conscious of that.
Law enforcement is all too familiar with drug-related cases.
I've seen over the years youth make that bad decision that leads into a life of addiction. Medication should be taken as prescribed, and that's the law.
Which is why there are places all over the community where people can get rid of unused medications.
The people that come in really appreciate this program put on by the state that we're able to dispose of the medication safely.
Officials say that between the two drug take-back events in the state, people get rid of tens of thousands of pounds of unwanted prescriptions.
It's amazing at the end of the day how many pounds are collected of unneeded medication that people still have in their homes.
While these events are a step forward, the opioid epidemic battle is far from over.
We have a lot more work to do to fight the opioid epidemic and this growing meth problem.
And officials say that if you do plan to get rid of unwanted medications, do not flush them down the toilet, as they can lead to hazards in our water and the environment. If you live in La Crosse, you can drop off meds at the Health and Human Services building between 9 a.m. to noon tomorrow. Martha?
All right, thanks so much, Tyler. And the number of hospitalizations and emergency room visits for opioids in La Crosse County have been going down. There were 334 cases last year, but for the first 6 months of this year, the cases are 94.